Are you a content creator or just starting out on YouTube? Imagine taking your videos from blurry and dull to crisp cinematic quality, all with just one click. Today, I'm showing you how this AI video enhancer can instantly level up your content and make your channel stand out. The name of the enhancer is Aiarty Video Enhancer, and you should download it from the link in the description. You can also try out Aiarty Video Enhancer for free to enhance your low-quality videos. Firstly, we'll import the low-quality video, and as soon as you upload the video, the AI model starts upscaling the video. Now you see the before and after, and already the video has been upscaled. Now just click on hardware and you can choose what you want, then choose the AI model. You have 3 options to choose from depending upon your choice. Then you can choose the quality to 4K, and as you can see, the quality has increased a lot. You can also edit the settings like crop, rotate or flip. You can also play with the color, frame interpolation, or the audio denoise settings. Then you can also change the export settings, and after selecting the download location, just click on Export Current. After a while, your video will be upscaled and you can download it right away. Here is the before and after of the video. As you can see, the anime has been enhanced. The resolution is also upscaled, even the background, which is just awesome. You can check out Aiarty Video and Image Enhancer from the link in the description. If you made it this far, consider subscribing, and if you want to know how I generate my voiceovers, watch this video.